Hello friends, I am Sudhir and you are enjoying the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, today we are going to explore some multiple choice questions based on Albert Niemetz's most popular poem, Nobody Loves Me. But friends, before we proceed, as usual, I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this channel called English Carnival in coming days. Friends, Albert Niemetz belonged to the United States of America. He is the author of the widely known books like I Like You Just Because, Thoughts on Friendship, Words to Get Well By, To Listen Is to Heal, and so on. Friends, his number of inspirational quotes on love, friendship and compassion are quite popular among the readers like you and me. Friends, as far as this poem called Nobody Loves Me is concerned, Albert Niemetz here tries his best to raise a very pertinent issue, that is the universal human urge for love and recognition. Friends, he experiences the cry of a child for attention and tries to give the concrete voice of existence to his experience through this beautiful poem. Friends, here he feels and thinks that love is the key driving force for all living beings in this world, and this is what he talks about in this poem. So friends, without delay, let us move and see around 25 important multiple choice questions and their answers based on Albert Niemetz's popular composition called Nobody Loves Me. So friends, let us move towards the first question. We have the first question. Albert J. Niemetz belonged to dash. Options are A. the USA, B. England, C. Canada and D. South Africa. The correct answer is A, and it is the United States of America. Second question. Who wrote Words to Get Well By? Options are A. Albert Niemetz, B. Shelley, C. Sylvia Plath and D. John Masefield. Correct answer is A, and it was written by Albert J. Niemetz. Question number 3 we have. Which one of the following is not a book by Albert J. Niemetz? Options are A. To Listen Is to Heal, B. Thoughts for Reflection, C. Of Course I Love You and D. A Magic Place. The correct answer of this question is D, and it is A Magic Place. Question number 4 we have. Dash says nobody loves me in the first stanza of the poem. Options are A. a young man, B. a young woman, C. a child and D. an old man. The correct answer is C, and it is a child. Question number 5 we have. The child is going out because dash. Options are A. nobody loves him, B. nobody likes him, C. he likes to go out and D. none of these. Correct answer is B, and it is nobody loves him. Question number 6 we have. How do we feel the statement of the child that the child is going out and will eat some worms? Options are A. vague, B. weird, C. humorous and D. sad. Correct answer is C, and it is humorous. Question number 7 we have. What does the poet say about childs going out and eating some worms? Options are A. that it is very good, B. that the child likes to eat worms, C. that it is humorous statement and D. that it is deeply tragedy. Correct answer is D, and it is that it is deeply tragedy. Question number 8 we have. The child's words in the first stanza imply dash. Options are A. the child is speaking about an intense human need, B. the child is speaking about his interests, C. the child is speaking about his future plans and D. the child is sharing his ideas about the world. Correct answer is A, and it is the child is speaking about an intense human need. Question number 9 we have. Dash is human beings' intense need. Options are A. fame, B. love and recognition, C. money and D. prestige. Correct answer is B, and it is love and recognition. Question number 10 we have, is man's intense need is being fulfilled? Options are A, cannot say, B, partially being fulfilled, C, no it is not, and D, yes it is. Correct answer is C, and it is no it is not. Question number 11 we have, which of the following words do not describe the child's predicament? Options are A, lonely, B, sad, C, trapped, and D, dejected. The correct answer is C, and it is trapped. Question number 12 we have, dash are the two contradicting words from the second stanza. Options are A, strike, humorous, B, strike deep, C, humorous and tragedy, and D, tragedy, strike. Correct answer is C, and it is humorous and tragedy. Question number 13 we have, the phrase eat some worm symbolizes dash. Options are A, disappointment, B, hopelessness, C, both A and B, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is both A and B. Question number 14 we have, worthlessness means dash. Options are A, feeling of being famous, B, feeling of being useless, C, feeling of being happy, and D, feeling of being sad. Correct answer is B, and it means feeling of being useless. The next question, question number 15 we have, the tone of the poem is dash. Options are A, optimistic, B, humorous, C, sad, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is sad. Question number 16 we have, what is the structure of the poem? Options are A, sonnet, B, haiku, C, free verse, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is a free verse. Question number 17 we have, which statement or which statements correctly describe the child's state of mind in the first stanza? Options are A, the child feels lonely and dejected, B, the child does not want to stay with his or her family, C, the child feels that he is being neglected, and D, all of the above. Correct answer is D, and it is all of the above. Question number 18 we have, what is true about the sense of worthlessness that the child feels in the first stanza? Options are A, it is specific to the situation in the poem, B, it is a universal feeling, C, it is felt by children and old men only, and D, none of these. Correct answer is B, and it is a universal feeling. Question number 19 we have, of course I love you is the work by dash. Options are A, Albert Nemeth, B, Sylvia Plath, C, Nazim Hikmet, and D, Robert Herrick. Correct answer is A, and it was written by Albert J. Nemeth. Question number 20 we have, Albert Nemeth's I Like You Just Because Thoughts on Friendship published in dash. Options are A, 1969, B, 1970, C, 1971, and D, 1972. Correct answer is B, and it was published in 1970. Question number 21 we have, they strike us as humorous but it is deep dash. Options are A, pain, B, sadness, C, happiness, D, tragedy. The correct answer is D, and but it is deep tragedy. Question number 22 we have, because it is not being dash, there is a sense of worthlessness. Options are A, neglected, B, satisfied, C, admired, and D, none of these. Correct answer is B, and it is satisfied. Question number 23 we have, tragedy means dash. Options are A, a very sad event or situation, B, a very happy event or situation, C, a very humorous event or situation, and D, none of these. Correct answer is A, and tragedy means a very sad event or situation. Question number 24 we have, intense means dash. Options are A, dispassionate, B, very strong, C, impassive, and D, all of the above. Correct answer is B, and it is very strong. The next question we have, question number 25th and last one, Albert Nemeth talks about dash in the poem. Options are A, the universal human urge for love and recognition, B, the journey of his life, C, the tragedy of his life, and D, the prosperity of human beings. Correct answer is A, and it talks about the universal human urge for love and recognition. So friends, all these are the multiple choice questions based on Albert J. Nimitz' popular composition called Nobody Loves Me. I hope friends you have liked all these multiple choice questions and their answers discussed in this video, in this presentation. Friends, if you have really liked it, I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. Friends, if you are a new viewer to this channel, then I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon, so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. So friends, we'll meet soon again with a different video on different piece of literature. Till then friends, just take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.